Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. I got a brand new 2020 21 SAG is the model from Eclipse Attitude. Let's go ahead and take a peek. You got your kitchen area over here on this side. You got a full-size refrigerator freezer. Dometic. You got a microwave above here with a fan hood, 3-burner oven, a nice little counter spot here. Drawers. You got storage underneath. Storage above, LED light under there, storage up there. So you got your electric bed that comes down. Well, the back door patio deck, you know, it's not the patio deck, but it's an option for a patio deck actually. So it's got the ramp door. So you got a full-size, queen-size bed up here. You got some chairs here that you move around. This little seating over here on the side flips into a bed also. So if you need a little bed for kids, plus you got room for air mattresses or whatnot. The tables, they're removable, so you can move them around, take them out if you don't want them. More storage above us here, AC above us. You got nice cross ventilation with the windows, screens that open up on both sides in the back and in the front here. There's your stereo system, your control panel right there. You got your corner shower, nice bathroom there, a lot of room, a lot of height, glass door, so plenty of height for big tall guys. Then you walk into the bedroom in the back here. So you got corner bed with some drawers, closet on the side, storage up here, lighting, USB plug over there, storage underneath the bed here, but you got room to get around the bed, so you got a lot of height in here. So smaller, you know, toy hauler, so it gives you a nice bed in the front. You got the double axle, little grab handle. You got electric awning with LED strip under there. So this has got the manual jacks on the corners, but I mean a cordless screwdriver, they make a nut that fits that, so you know, electric that way. So it's got electric tongue jack, it's got the big tall tanks, it's got a spot for a generator here in front. This is where the batteries go up here in the front. So you actually got a little spot to put a generator. So this has the also storage on this underneath the bed. You got all the way through to the other side. You got plenty of storage, magnetic. Here's your power plug-in, your water supply, black tank flush there. So this particular model has a fuel station here. So you know, if you got toys for going inside, you got your locking handles on the back with the, like I said, the ramp door. So nice little toy hauler. So if you're looking for something small, like I said, this is only 21 they call it, the box, but it's got plenty of room for a razor or, you know, like a couple quads. So if you're looking for toy haulers, we have lots of selection, or truck campers and fifth wheels. Come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.